Hey everybody, I hope everybody's having a really good week this week. So this week what's popping and dropping is a deer pop-up card. And this says just winter cheer, and then I did a little face of a deer on the front, and then we open it up and we have a cute little deer with a wreath around him. And then of course on the place back we have a place where we can write a message. So why don't we go ahead and head over to Design Space, and I'm going to show you all the pieces you need to make this card. I'll see you there. Okay guys, now that we're here in Design Space, these are all the basic pieces we need to create this card. Please don't forget to go up and name and save your project and add any additional items that you would like to add to your card. And why don't we go ahead and get them cut out, and I'll meet you at the craft table and I'll show you how to put it together. I'll see you there. Okay guys, why don't we go ahead and get our pretty paper out and our card base, and we can work our score line and put our pretty paper on. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, now that we have this done, we can get the stuff out for the front of our card, which is this piece. I'm going to use this piece again. You could use a circle, or I've seen it where they don't put anything back here and they just put the little deer face on. You'll also need the eyelashes. So I think I'm going to put mine about right here. And if you wanted, you could put a hat on the deer. You could do a bow, because that's did with this one, I'm going to put a bow on him. And I don't know if I want it down here or up here. I think I'm going to do it at the bottom. Cute. Okay. Now let's get our pieces out for our wreath. I'm going to go ahead and put my little holly berries around this. Let's get our deer for the inside pieces out. And what we can do is, for the antlers, we're going to fold it in half. And then work the slanted score lines. So it should look like this. Okay. And then for this piece, let's fold the long score line in half. And it's not snipped all the way up to the center score line here. Just go ahead and snip it up to it like that. And then we can work the slanted score lines. Okay. Then we're going to take this slanted piece and work it down like so. And then let's work his head in half. And then our little tab here, we can fold it. Then we're going to put a little glue on it. And then we're just going to adhere it to it like so. Okay? So let's do that. That dry, I'm going to go ahead and get my face out and start putting it on. So we want our antlers to be a valley fold, and then these two be a mountain fold. And then we're going to stick it down on the back of our deer. And that's about how far it's down. You're going to make sure you line it up on the score line. And you can glue or tape your antlers. It's up to you. I think I have it about an inch down from the top of the head. So if you look, that's about how far I've glued it down from the top of my head. And then this guy you can put absolutely anywhere. Just make sure his antlers or him is not coming outside of our card. And you always want to make sure your score lines and your V down here is lined up with the score line of your card. Okay. And you can always use something that's not going to be permanent if you want to test it out to make sure he's not coming outside of your card. And then we'll just give it a rub down and open it up, and there we have it. Okay guys, for this piece here, what I do is I just fold it in half to give it a score line, like so. And then I work it through the deer. And then you'll just line the score lines we made up and glue it down to your card. And I kind of hide the bottom down here so you don't see that part of him. So I'm going to just go ahead and finish this up, then I'll be back to show you my end result. is the end result of my card. It says Winter Wishes. And then we open it up and we have another deer. And I did some lights that's tangled up that you're more than welcome to use, that's in the free file. And I just think he turned out so cute. He's just so darling. Do you guys know why the deer got braces? Because he had buck teeth. Guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and crafting with me. Don't forget to stop back next week to see what's popping and dropping. Bye.